Hey, this video we're just gonna do called World of Happiness. So we're just gonna film because this is like a Christmas theme in Thailand. So they have all the Christmas decorations. So we're gonna capture some of the decorations, and also it's fun because when you know people pose for decorations, they kind of do some funny poses and funny, interesting things. So we'll see if we can capture anything like that we see. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So we're gonna walk on in and let's go in. So you're gonna see a lot of people taking a lot of pictures in here shortly. And if we do it right, we can kind of frame how cool they are. So we got a Christmas tree one. Big Christmas tree. Yeah, it's pretty crowded in here. Oh wow, look at this one. Almost everybody's. So she's kind of setting up a Christmas pose one, and there's a ton of photographers here. It's kind of cool. It all looks like professional photographers too. Cool. Okay, let's just keep on seeing what else is around. It's really interesting. Let's see what other interesting stuff we can find. Nobody's posing in front of this one right now. So let's just see. There's a big Christmas tree here. Sorry. Yeah, these are kind of interesting. The Christmas tree, these big crowds. So we're gonna try to go through and around. It's okay. So we kind of got Christmas decorations everywhere here. Okay. So CentralWorld is right there, and all the Christmas decorations are right here as well. So there's all kinds of cool stuff to see.
มันมีมุมอยู่ไว้แต่ไม่ได้ดูไม่ต้องมึงถ่ายได้ไปถ่ายเลยที่กับที่แบบมันจะตีถ่ายที่ต้องจับทุกต้นไงมันไม่ต้องเบี่ยงนะ
Okay, here's a whole other set.
ตรงนี้มันต้นใหญ่มากเลยนะกล้องขวดกล้องใหญ่ครับใส่รอบนี้
มันโฟกัสทุกคนบนโลกเลยอ่ะแป๊บหนึ่ง
So we're gonna fade on out by going.
อะไรลูกจอดเลย
So we're gonna fade back out again, and then we'll conclude it. We're at the beginning again. Maybe we'll see some interesting stuff at the entrance, but okay. World of happiness right there.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movimento.